Listen up. The ground is shifting under our feet, and most of you are still tying your shoelaces. We are living through the single biggest opportunity since the dawn of the internet itself, and it's spelled AI. While everyone is debating if robots are going to take their jobs, the smart ones, the hustlers, the people who actually want to win, are already using these tools to build. You're sitting on a goldmine of technology that lets you create content at a scale that was impossible just 2 years ago. The question isn't if you should use AI video generators, the question is why the hell you haven't started already. This isn't a trend, it's the new baseline. Don't give me excuses, I'm not a filmmaker, I don't have a camera, I don't know how to edit. Good, perfect, that's the whole point. The barrier to entry has just been obliterated, it's gone. You don't need a fancy red camera or a degree from film school anymore. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the ambition to execute. This essay is your wake-up call. I'm going to hand you the simple, practical, no-fluff playbook to start making money with AI video generators, using nothing but stock media and your own hustle. Quit complaining about what you don't have and start using the incredible tools you do. The game is about speed and volume. The market rewards speed. While your competition is storyboarding for weeks, 5, 10, or even 20 high-value videos a day, think about that. You can test ideas, find what resonates with the audience, and double down on what works, all in the time it takes someone else to book a studio. This is your chance to outwork and outproduce everyone. Just because a robot made your video doesn't mean it has to feel like one. The biggest mistake beginners make is just hitting export and calling it a day. You have to add a human touch. That starts with pacing. Watch the preview of your video. Does it drag? Are there awkward pauses? Trim them. Cut the fat. Each scene, which is basically one sentence of your script, should last about 5 to 10 seconds. This creates a quick, dynamic rhythm that keeps people's eyes glued to the screen. Music is not just background noise, it's emotion. Most people pick a loud, obnoxious track that fights with the voiceover. Don't do that. Your goal is clarity. Choose a slow, soft, ambient track. Then, and this is crucial, turn the volume down. Way down. The voiceover should be the star of the show. The music is just the supporting actor. The voice should be at least 80% of the audio mix, with the music sitting quietly in the background at 20%. Okay, you made the video. So what? A video sitting on your hard drive doesn't pay the bills. You need a strategy to monetize. The most obvious path is YouTube. Your job is to get your channel to meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Subscribers watch hours. Once you're in, YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a share of that revenue. This is a volume game. The more quality videos you post, the faster you'll accumulate the watch time needed to unlock monetization. But, waiting for ad revenue is playing the long game. You need to make money now. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. If you're reviewing a product or recommending a software tool, you can drop an affiliate link in the video description. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. It costs the buyer nothing extra, but it puts cash in your pocket. I've laid out the entire map for you. The tools, the strategy, the monetization. Now comes the only part that matters: execution. Information is worthless without action. Most people will read this, feel inspired for 5 minutes, and then go back to scrolling through Shaudril Mardi da Madauro. Don't be most people. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is bridged by doing the work. You need to build momentum, and that starts with one small single step. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. Today. Here are your 3 non-negotiable tips to work faster and save money. 1. Reuse your best stock clips. People working, cityscapes, nature shots. Nobody will notice or care, and it will save you hours of searching. 2. Use templates. Every AI tool has them. Create one master template with your favorite font, music track, pacing. Duplicate it for every new video. Stop reinventing the wheel. 3. Batch your work. Don't make one video. Make 10. Spend one day writing scripts, one day finding footage, one day assembling the videos. Efficiency is king. Let's be brutally honest. Your first video is going to suck. So will your second, and your third. Who cares? You don't get good by thinking about it, you get good by doing it, making mistakes, learning from them, iterating. Check your analytics. See which videos get more watch time. Look at the comments. Double down on what's working, and cut what's not. So here is your call to action. I'm not asking you to build an empire tonight. I'm asking you to take one tiny step. Right now, after you finish reading this, I want you to pick one simple topic. Write a 100-word script. That's 5 or 6 sentences. Go to a free AI video generator. Use one stock clip and make a 30-second test video. Don't even publish it publicly. Upload it as unlisted. Just see how it feels. Prove to yourself that you can do it. That small win is the spark that will light the fire. Stop reading. Go execute. This is your AI video generator ready moment. Let's go. Choose subtle background music. Always export 16.9 for YouTube. Keep captions big and bold. The opportunity is right now.